Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to solve Terabox app network connection problem. Alright, so let's begin. If Terabox is not connecting to the internet properly, just follow these simple steps to fix the problem. First, go to the settings on your phone and then tap on apps. From the list of installed applications, find and select Terabox. Once you're inside the app settings, tap on mobile data. Make sure that allow data usage and allow background data usage are both enabled. If either of these options is turned off, switch them on. After that, go back to the main settings page and then tap on your network or connection settings. From there, select SIM card manager. If you have a SIM card inserted, you will see the option to reset your access point names. Simply reset the APN settings and this should resolve the network connection issue with Terabox. Once you've completed these steps, open the Terabox app again and check if the internet connection is working properly. In most cases, the problem will be fixed using this method, and that's it. So that's basically how you can solve Terabox app network connection problem. So that's all for this video.